Video title: Nvidia is cracking down on fake GeForce graphics cards. Happy Tuesday, everyone. As you may already be aware, fake GeForce graphics cards have been making their way around Chinese e-commerce platforms for quite a while now. It is recently reported, though, that finally the chipmaker Nvidia is taking action to eradicate these fake cards and secure the US market too. But first, let's talk about what these fake graphics cards are. Previously, obscure brands such as 51 Risk, Korn, or MLSE were only seen in the Chinese domestic market. With the ending of the Ethereum mining boom, though, these graphics cards can now be found on platforms such as eBay, Amazon, and Newegg, sometimes at extortionate prices. Though the prices may be lower than those of officially endorsed Nvidia partners, it is best to let common sense take over and opt for the product of a trusted source. To make matters even worse, some sellers are even repainting older cards with memory chips to pass them off as RTX 3070 Tims. Needless to say, it is anyone's guess what could be lying beneath that repaint. Thankfully, Nvidia is well aware of these shenanigans and are actively taking action. They have reportedly denied affiliation with fake brands and have urged the top e-commerce sites in China to take them off the shelves. It seems that their efforts have been successful too, as big-name Chinese platforms such as JD.com, Douyin, Pinduoduo, and Tmall have all enforced policies to restrict the sale of second-hand, refurbished, and falsely advertised GeForce graphics cards. Nvidia have shared 3 tips to help consumers avoid buying any fake cards. Their first tip is to look into the RTX 40 series graphics cards, as they launched after the mining boom and therefore should not contain any recycled mining GPUs. Another important tip is to look for officially endorsed Nvidia partners such as Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, or Zotac. Lastly, if price is a major concern, Nvidia suggests considering the RTX 30 series or an upgrade such as RTX 3060 Ti GDDR6X or the RTX 3068 GB. It is wonderful to hear that Nvidia is taking initiative and that their efforts have already resulted in positive changes within the Chinese e-commerce platforms. We are all certainly hoping that this crackdown will extend to the US market as well, as there are still traces of phony GeForce cards floating around.